Hello, moms and dads. I'm Katherine Hayden from Sparkativity, and I'd like to share with you something I saw on social media just today. As so many people are doing, friends are announcing that yes, indeed, our kids are e-learning in the fall, at least. They'll be learning from home or going in one day a week. And just today, my friend Liz announced that for her kids. And what she said next touched my heart. She said, "Both kids took the news really well, so now it's my job to make home a great place for them to learn and focus." It's a beautiful sentiment, and Liz is turning this time of uncertainty and difficulty into an opportunity. But Liz also is basically a saint. So how can you do this? How can you make home enriching, a place of focus for your kids and for yourself and your entire family this school year? Think of me as your guide. I am here to help you through my self-paced course, Work from Home with Kids and Thrive. There's so many really easy tools and strategies that I teach in this course that will help you feel confident going into the school year, feel less stressed, and give you practical tools and tips to make your kids' experience amazing, and to make sure you take care of yourself first, which is always key. We will talk about how to find needed focus time, different ways to structure your time, how to enrich kids' learning without a lot of stress on yourself, how to take advantage of screen time and leverage it in many different ways, and in general, how to go forward into this school year with joy and sanity and lots of learning for your kids and actually being able to get your own work done as well. So click on the link above, add Work from Home with Kids and Thrive to your cart, and I'll see you in the course.